Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I am here at the World Peace Bell in Newport, Kentucky. Before I talk about the bell, though, I'm going to talk about the other things in the park, because there are a few other things here. So over here we have what I assume is supposed to be an eternal flame. It is currently off. And it says, World Peace, our dream, inner peace, our search. Neither is achieved, nor... I can't read that word, without each other, or nor valued without each other. There we go. So, before I get into the bell and the history of this park, let me walk around and show you some of the other things. So over here we have a firefighter memorial, Northern Kentucky Firefighter Memorial. It has the names of some firefighters, some counties, a Bible verse. Then you also have this over here, which I believe gives the years of this guy. Chief Larry B. Atwell worked for the fire department here, 47 years in all. Then over here, there is a mascot called the Protect and Serve Bearcat. It was an artist from a high school, but it was donated by the University of Cincinnati. And then also there is a 9/11 memorial here. There's actually a piece of steel from the World Trade Center here. And then there's a timeline and a memorial dedicated to him. And then across the backs and sides are the names, I believe, of the firefighters who died at 9/11. And then finally, we're going to get to the bell. So, this bell actually comes with an information page that you can read. It is the World Peace Bell. It is not the only one. It is the world's largest swinging bell. It weighs 66,000 pounds. It's 12 feet high and 12 feet in diameter. And just the thing that rings it up there also weighs 26,000 pounds. It's supposed to bring a heightened awareness that peace begins at home. And these were installed in river cities along the Mississippi River and the Ohio River. And of course, Newport is on the Ohio River. So there's actually more information here that in December 1998, the bell was cast. It was the 50th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights signed in Paris. And then on March 20th, 1999, the bell was unveiled in France in a public ceremony and rung for the first time. It shipped to the United States by ship began in April. And then now the World Peace Bell is sitting in Newport. Now, it doesn't say how... By reading this, it kind of sounds like maybe there is actually only one and I'm wrong, but it has traveled a lot. Now, as far as I can remember, this has been here my whole life, so I don't know when it would travel again, where it would travel again, or how it would travel again, because, I mean, they built a whole mechanism here. Now, standing over it, you can kind of get an idea of how massive it is. But yeah, now there is also a catwalk up here, and you can actually walk up to the bell, and you would be able to read the text on it, which is on this piece of paper, but you can't read it. But you do have to make reservations in advance, so sadly I did not do that, so I cannot go up there and see it. But seeing it from the side is still pretty cool, and getting to be underneath it. I can actually read part of it from here. It says, the World Peace Bell, a symbol of freedom and peace, honoring our past, celebrating our future, celebrating our present, and preparing for our future, I think is what it says. So anyway, I just want to show this off real quick. This is something that I would see every time I came here, and it's just a neat little place to stop by, especially if you're going to the aquarium or if you're going to Cincinnati. So I hope you guys enjoyed this informative little video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I make new videos every Wednesday.